We are Freedom Press. We are truth. We are the solution. Hello. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are what they do not want us to be. We are who they do not want you to see. We speak on only the truth, which they do not want you to hear. These people you see and hear every day who you call the media is nothing more but a gigantic propaganda scheme. They tell you what they only want you to hear, what they only want you to believe. They feed you these stories that are far from the truth. They all want you to fall victim to the web of lies they spew. We will expose them all. We will tell you what you need to hear and what you need to know. It is only right that we deliver what you deserve. Open your eyes to the truth. Do not listen and fail to see, and do not see but fail to listen. You must see and listen and pay attention, or you will fall victim to what they want you to believe is true. The new age of technology will be the foundation for us to build the truth on. Do not let them encage you in these lies. Do not let them slave your mind into thinking we are free. We are not, but in time, we will overcome these media juggernauts. We will conquer them with the knowledge they do not want you to know. We are Freedom Press. We are truth. We are the solution.